Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. In 1971, a thief broke into a house and was shot in the legs by a trap set up by the homeowner. The thief then sued for damages and won. In the Dominican Republic, armed forces personnel and members of the national police are not allowed to vote. Meet India's richest man ever, Jagat Seth, who was called the banker of the world. His net worth was more than $1 trillion in today's currency. This 2,500-year-old mummy was opened for the first time on camera in Egypt. In a research, it was found people who went on adventurous places or did adventurous things together are more likely to fall in love. Adam Sandler is worth over 440 million, no jewelry in sight, no designer clothes, just simply walking the streets of NYC eating a jar of pickles. Your teeth feel weird after eating spinach because it's full of oxalic acid and calcium, which form crystals that spit can't dissolve. The indelible ink dries in less than 40 seconds besides silver nitrate. This water-based ink also contains some dyes and a solvent like alcohol. Just 25% of US medical schools require coursework in nutrition, and only 14% of doctors feel comfortable talking with patients about it. Over 20 African countries have come together to plant an 80,000-kilometer wall of trees in order to stop the spread of the Sahara Desert. Honey Nut Cheerios don't contain nuts, they contain a natural almond flavor made from peach and apricot pits. Wearable eyeglasses have been around since 1284. According to a recent study, you are most likely to be bullied on Twitter between 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. on a Sunday evening. The CIA hired a magician to train agents in sleight of hand techniques for use in their Mickey slipping LSD experiments. Older siblings tend to be more responsible, younger siblings tend to be more extroverted and rebellious. The world has slowed its annual growth rate of greenhouse gas emissions from 2.3% per year prior to 2013 down to a projected 0.2% in 2016. It has been more than 50 years since Stephen Hawking was diagnosed with motor neuron disease related to ALS. Doctors at that time gave him a life expectancy of 2 years. The red soul of Louboutin heel is recognized worldwide. However, it was actually created by accident rather than by a plan designed. In the event of a nuclear explosion, you should not use conditioner to wash your hair. It will bind radioactive material to the strands. NFL players are 3 to 4 times more likely to contract Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and ALS than an average American. A jeweler from Missouri invented a machine that could both slice and wrap a loaf of bread. German magician Ralph Biala is pretty notable for his trick of catching bullets with his teeth. Men become less efficient at performing mental tasks after having a conversation with a woman they find attractive. Frustrated with own typing mistakes, a secretary invented liquid paper. The most expensive magic show ever staged cost $35.7 million. Siblings fight relatively often. On average, siblings between the ages of 3 and 7 fight at least 3 times an hour. Disney World is essentially its own city with its own government. The company has the authority to open school, creates its own criminal justice system, and open a nuclear power plant on its land in Florida. Piranhas are usually peaceful scavengers, but their fierce reputation comes from a story involving Teddy Roosevelt to impress him during 1913 Amazon visit. Ever wonder how much money is in your jar? Just weigh the coins. A quarter weighs 5.67 gram. 1 pound is $10. Livraria in Lisbon, Portugal, holds the title of the world's oldest operating bookstore, founded in 1732. The streets are always wet in movies. Wet pavement not only looks better on camera, but the same way that it's hard to see road markings when you're driving in the rain at night. You can tell if someone is a narcissist by simply asking them if they are. Studies show people who are willing to admit they are more narcissistic are in fact more narcissistic. In April 2018, Robert Pope completed the Forrest Gump run, in which he ran across America 5 times in 422 days of running. Most expensive car brand. Rolls-Royce is the most expensive car brand in the world. Why it's so expensive? You can select 44,000 plus color combination in Rolls-Royce. There is also an exclusive person in company for detailing. He's the only one allowed in company to do this. From soundproof, custom fridge safe and jewelry box lights, you can customize everything. Rolls-Royce La Rose Noir Droptail is the world's most expensive car, priced at $30 million. Thanks for watching.